Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at problem 4. Here we have a two-way table summarizing the distribution for A, B, C, and D events. And we would like to find the probability of all these union and intersections, the U and the uppercase U. So it's best to think about each individual parentheses. So we have A union C and B union D. So let's think about each of these individually here first. Actually, I'm going to make this a different color. Let's make this blue. Okay, we're going to think about A union C. What is A union C? A or C. So the ones that can make up A or C would be this, and this, and this. It's got to be in either one. It has to be at least one A. So here's A, and here's C. So as we can see, these three values make up A union C. So now let's look at B union D. So we'll use blue here. B union D would be B and B, and then this is also D, and then this is also D. Alright, so we figured out B union D. Those three parts. Now, let's make this, I guess, let's go ahead and use this teal here. The intersection. Let's focus on the intersection right here. Now, the intersection is where both of them occur. Both of these sets of parentheses that we just found. So notice that this right here and this right here, and what I'm pointing at specifically is where they're both circled. So this, so essentially what we're thinking about, if we're ignoring the probability right now, is A union C intersect B union D is equal to the same set as A union D, or sorry, A intersect D, A intersect D, that's this 32, and it's also B intersect C, union B intersect D. That's really not that important. I was just making an observation here. So these are equivalent. Oh, sorry, not B intersect D. It's B intersect C. B intersect C. So notice that those these are the same thing. It's really not that important, but what we really need to figure out the probability of now is what's the probability that you'll get these two, 32 and 33. So it would just be 32 plus 33 divided by the total. So that would be 51 plus 33 plus 32 plus 84. Just add them all up. And that will give us our probability, which happens to be, I'll plug this in really quick. So that's, I can see that's 65 on the top. And then we have 51 plus 33 plus 32 plus 84, 200. And that equals 0.325. Alright, and I did notice that you've answered this correctly already. Oh, actually, no, you have not actually attempted this, but this is just heads up of how what this ends up being and how you approach this problem. So let me know if you have any concerns.